Hey, what's up guys? It's Josh here from Harmony Music, and I've got a cool little technique to teach you to help bring out the sound of your hi-hats a lot more in your drumming, give you a lot more feel, and also kind of give you a little bit of a rocky touch. Before I do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button on this video as well. It all helps us carry on making this free lesson content for you. The idea of this is that it makes the offbeats sound a little bit different as opposed to on the beat. And it's by utilising the shoulder and the tip of your stick. So when you're going down on the beat, hit with the shoulder of your stick. So this part, and don't be scared to lay into it as well. And then off the beat, hit with the tip of your stick. And if you watch what I do with my fingers now, you can literally flick your fingers as you're coming up from that down hit. So watch this. Down, and then as I am traveling up, flick, and it puts me back in the position for going back down again. And as you get the motion a little bit faster with that, your wrist comes into it a lot more as well. So it turns this sound, or this sound, into this sound. Which is pretty cool sounding. Now if you were playing a beat and you put that in with a beat, just to see it in context, here's me playing a beat just on the shoulder of the stick. Now just on the tip. Now going between the shoulder and the tip of the stick. Just gives it a little bit more of a characteristic when you're playing beats and a little bit more flavour, and it really does sound a lot more cooler as well in my opinion. Give it a try and let me know how you get on in the comments below. Let me know if you feel like it's easier fast or easier slower, and I'll catch you in the next lesson next week.